Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We had to take a little break from a power stroke and do one of our local utility companies, and this is a 2018 F150 with a 5.0, and it is equipped with bi-fuel. It's got CNG and regular unleaded. It came in here for me for a Misfire on number 6, and I've already swapped plugs, swapped coils, and the Misfire is still on 6. And there was an update for the PCM, so we had to remove the PCM, send it out to the modifier, and have them upload their new cal so that it ran better, because they had issues with people running E85, and this is not an E85 usable vehicle. So I just wanted to get a little run through of what I'm gonna do to figure this out and show you guys what's going on. Alright, this vehicle's got 2,700 miles on it. I've already got IDS hooked up, and let's do a power balance and see if there's any cylinders misfiring right now. One thing I forgot to mention, so this connector right here I unplugged. If you plug it in, CNG's on. If it's unplugged, you're just running on gasoline. And this vehicle has two sets of injectors. There's a high pressure fuel system and a low pressure fuel system. The low pressure fuel system is our CNG, and our high pressure fuel system is our gasoline. So right now we're going to be running on gasoline only, and let's see if we have any misfires. It was a little difficult at first to differentiate if it was gasoline misfiring or if it was CNG misfiring. So I just started it up. Aftermarket. Smooth out a little bit. Just started it cold. There we go. So yeah, everything looks pretty good right now. There's no real identifiable misfires. I'll show you what a misfire is going to look like. So there's a misfire right there. I shut off number 6 injector, the high pressure injector. Truck's running pretty crappy. Go ahead and turn this back off. Clear it out. Smooth it out. Alright, now let's plug in the CNG. Alright, listen to the sound the injectors when the low pressure injectors come on. You guys hear that change? Now let's go watch IDS and see if we got a misfire. Okay, here it is. Now I'm running on CNG. I'm not running on gasoline right now. Maybe fine-tuning it with gasoline is what the engineer said. But right now, with the CNG plugged in, yeah, I got a misfire on number 6. So I'm going to do the same test again, but this time I am going to swap injectors to see if this goes to here, which is the front cylinder on the driver's side. This is the cylinder right behind that. So, alright, here we go. Alright, now that it's running, I can go ahead and shut down the CNG, and it's gonna die out. Engine's gonna die out right now. Okay, we're dead. So now we can remove the fuel lines. Okay, so we got 2 fuel lines on here I'm gonna want to take off. I got this main supply. Just gonna crack it loose. Might get just a little hiss. Little hiss. Alright, no hiss. This was a 15/16. nut, flare nut on the line. Okay. Make sure our O-ring's intact. O-ring looks good. So we're gonna take this hose and get this rigid mess out of our way. Alright, so cylinder number 5 is here. Cylinder 6 is there. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect, if I can, cylinder number 5. They have these jumpers in them for the CNG injector, so they went from Ford to the CNG injector. We're gonna take number 6 off if we can. Okay, got number 6 removed. Okay, we're gonna take our 15/16 again. I want to be able to get the front of this rail up, and this line that connects the fuel rails together in the front isn't gonna allow me to get it up, so I'm just gonna bust this one loose too. Just get it off and out of my way. It's very rigid. Come on, baby. Okay, I need 2 hands. Alright, I went ahead and got that line off, and now I am going to remove the bolts that hold the fuel rail on, and there's 2 10 millis, one there and one right there. So I'm going to remove those guys out. Highly recommend it. Get you one. Okay, got the 2 bolts out. Now the front of the rail. Oops, let me fix the lighting control device here. Oh, that's even worse. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna lift the front of the rail up. Just wiggle it up. Look at how tiny these little injectors are. Aren't they cute? Okay, I'm gonna take that one and put it in number 6. I'm gonna take this one, I'll put it in number 5. Ah, come on, baby. Okay, I got it. Dropped it. Got it. Okay, there she is. Right there. I'm gonna set it in this little cup. Seat that lower O-ring. Set it in the cup. Okay. Go ahead and just do this now. Connector. Spin it around. Okay, so both of those are connected. I'm gonna go ahead, since this is so rigid, I'm gonna go ahead and start this front line right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my 2 10 milli bolts in. Just like that. Alrighty, got the lines on and snugged down. Gonna keep the same controls. Gonna go ahead and disconnect our CNG so we run on gasoline. Let's hook up IDS. Okay, back in the truck. Gonna start it up. Today. Okay, let's smooth out. Okay, you can see we don't have really any misfires. Running pretty smooth. Looks good. Okay, let's go plug in our CNG and see what cylinder is now misfiring. Alright, let's listen for that sound. Alright, there they go. Let's see where we are. Alright, back in the truck. Check it out. Oh, you guys just saw it was number 5. There's definitely something going on with that injector. Where is it at? Let's see if we can get another blip down on 5. Now it's gonna just want to run smooth. But yeah, there's definitely something going on with this injector. So, is it starting to run funny right now? No, it's running alright. So I'm gonna put a new injector in it. I got one here, and gonna shoot for that retest and have no misfires. So, alright, you guys, tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. If anybody's ever had to replace their CNG fuel injectors for a random misfire, let me know. Drop me a comment. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys next week.